Drive safe, understanding this everyday English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might have heard or will certainly use if you find yourself in an English-speaking country. Drive safe. It's a simple phrase, but packed with meaning and good intentions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these everyday expressions is key to sounding natural and fluent. So, let's buckle up and get started. When someone says, "Drive safe," they are expressing a short but meaningful message. The phrase is used to tell someone to be careful and to take precautions while driving. It's often said as a form of goodbye when the person is about to depart in a vehicle. Even though the grammatically correct form should be, drive safely, since safely is an adverb, drive safe is commonly used in informal speech and is widely accepted in casual contexts. Understanding the grammar behind drive safe is interesting because it highlights the flexibility of English. Technically, we should use an adverb to describe how we do something, which in this case would be safely. However, in informal communication, it's not unusual for speakers to use an adjective instead. So, drive safe persists in everyday conversation, and its use is considered grammatically permissible in the context of informal dialogue. You can use drive safe in various situations where someone is leaving and will be driving. It's suitable for informal situations, like when speaking with friends or family. You can say it when someone is leaving your home, getting into their car after a gathering, about to embark on a long road trip, driving home in bad weather or late at night. When using this phrase, it's often accompanied by a warm smile or a pat on the back. It's more than just a phrase, it's a parting wish for the person's well-being. Drive safe is not just about safety, it's a cultural expression of care and concern. It's equivalent to other caring phrases like, take care, or be well. Different English-speaking regions might have variations, such as, drive safely, the grammatically correct version. Safe travels, used more generally for any type of travel. Stay safe on the road, a more explicit way of expressing the sentiment. And there we have it. Next time you hear someone say, drive safe, you'll know that they're not just commenting on your driving skills, but they're also showing they care about your safety and well-being. It's a small phrase with a big heart. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using everyday English phrases like this one. Stay safe, both on the road and off, and see you in our next video.